Hi, I'm Greg from RV Haulers. We're going to be taking one of our RV haulers to the limit today. If you'd like to see us intentionally jackknife this RV hauler and test how far we can push things, join us in this video. Here's what we're going to do today. In preparation and confirmation before our customers arrive here on site for their training, we're going to be taking this sports car, which is our customers, loading it onto this Kenworth T680 and hooking up one of our fifth wheels in the yard. And we're going to push and see how far we can jackknife two rigs and make sure that nothing strikes the back of this little sports car. But first, we got to get the sports car loaded. Let's do that. Brake test successful. Let's get the landing gear up. Let's do our extreme test. Well, after 17 years of building these, we still got it. So here's the result. We are actually jackknifed a little bit more than 90 degrees. I think, Austin, what are we, about 95 degrees? I'll show you from the other angle, you'll be able to see. But take a look at our clearances. We've got roughly 3 inches there, which is, that's all you need. And I get to replace my divot and really see the angle, how we went beyond 90 degrees. You'll see it on the pin box too, right? You can see how the pin box is actually a little bit beyond 90. Well, I'm happy to report after our test drives, our jackknifing, everything worked out as we hoped. I'm Greg from RV Haulers. I want to thank, first of all, if you're one of my subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate the support you've given me over the last 15 years. And hey, check this out. This is a brand new VNL 840 that we're going to be converting. We've got another one in the shop right now that we're installing the bed on, one of our can bed systems. Join me. Please, if you're interested in what we're building here at RV Haulers, please subscribe to the channel. And please, everyone, thanks for watching and drive safe.